Mercedes has confirmed that the next-generation Mercedes-AMG C63 engine will be shrunk to a 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain. Mercedes-Benz will skip the 2022 model year for many of its V8 cars, including the AMG-powered 577-horsepower G63 SUV. Underneath the polished Mercedes for $176,000 is hidden G-Wagon bones are sturdy and can be taken anywhere. It's hard to go wrong with the big V8, 4-wheel drive and trick suspension. Throw in a 3-pointed star and all the splendor and circumstance that comes with it, plus a tiered signage like Gelandewagen, and things get really interesting, really fast. Really, really fast. The 2021 Mercedes-AMG G63, horse-powered and 627 pound-feet of torque ready. This massive 4x4 makes the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 look like an accomplished farm tool. Power is channeled to the ground via a permanent all-wheel drive system with 40/60ths front, rear torque sharing and lockable center, front and rear differentials. When the going gets really tough, the 2-speed transfer box allows for low-distance crawling. It's a spectacular resume for any 4x4 with off-road aspirations, but in true top-tier AMG mode, it's the essence of pure, unfiltered overkill that really seals the deal. While the official 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds makes it just a tenth faster than the Wrangler 392, the top speed is 137 miles per hour, or in this configuration, 149 miles per hour with the driver's package, humiliating the blue-collar Jeep whose tires are capped at the 99 miles per hour figure. Packages a wide curved exterior styling, revamped the front bumper and some additional aggressive styling. Note the power dome hood and side vents installed in locations on the wheels. Full-length electric side ladder allows easier entry and exit.